Human athletes break records that amaze the world, but nature operates on a completely different scale. Some animals are built for survival in ways that seem almost impossible, and few creatures show this better than the Arctic tern. At first glance, the Arctic tern looks small and fragile, but this seabird performs the longest migration on Earth. Every year, it travels from the Arctic to Antarctica and back again. Its journey can reach up to 96,000 kilometers in a single year. That is more than twice around the planet. The tern spends most of its life in the air, landing mainly during nesting season. By following summer across both hemispheres, it experiences 2 summers every year. Its body is designed for extreme endurance. Hollow bones reduce weight, while long, narrow wings help it glide across powerful ocean winds with minimal energy. During migration, it catches fish directly from the water without stopping. Over a lifespan of around 30 years, a single Arctic tern may travel more than 2 million kilometers, making it one of the greatest migrants on Earth. The dung beetle may look insignificant, but relative to its body size, it is one of the strongest animals on Earth. One species in particular, Omphiphagus taurus, can pull more than 1,000 times its own weight. For a human, that would be like moving nearly 80 tons. But this incredible strength is not for show, it is essential for survival. Male dung beetles compete by rolling massive balls of dung across the ground. These balls are more than just food, they are also a safe place for reproduction and protection for future offspring. Inside the dung, larvae can grow while staying hidden from predators and protected from drying out under the sun. To move such heavy loads, dung beetles rely on powerful legs and a tough exoskeleton. They must work quickly before rivals steal their prize. Some species even navigate using sunlight during the day. Others use the stars at night to travel in straight lines across the landscape. Small, armored, and unbelievably strong, dung beetles are not just survivors, they are also some of the most important recyclers in ecosystems around the world. The sailfish is one of the fastest animals in the ocean. During short hunting bursts, it can move through the water at incredible speed, attacking schools of fish with deadly precision. Its body is perfectly designed for high-speed movement. Long, narrow, and shaped like a torpedo, the sailfish cuts through the ocean while reducing water resistance and conserving energy. One of its most recognizable features is the massive dorsal fin stretching across its back like a sail. The fish can raise or lower this fin depending on the situation. During hunts, it improves stability and helps the sailfish make sharp, controlled turns at high speed. The sail also works as a hunting tool. By spreading the fin near schools of smaller fish, the sailfish can confuse and trap prey into tight groups before attacking. Its long, spear-like bill gives it another advantage. Instead of only biting prey, the sailfish slashes through schools of fish, stunning multiple targets in seconds. The sailfish also keeps its eyes warmer than the surrounding water, improving vision and reaction speed in colder depths. Fast, precise, and built for pursuit, the sailfish is one of the ocean's most effective predators. The flea is one of the greatest jumpers in the animal kingdom. Despite being only a few millimeters long, this tiny insect can leap distances equal to 100 times its own length. For a human, that would be like jumping over an entire football field in a single motion. A flea can launch itself up to 30 centimeters into the air almost instantly. But this ability does not come from muscle power alone. Inside its body is a special elastic protein called resilin. It works like a biological spring. The flea slowly compresses this structure, storing energy inside its body. Then, in a fraction of a second, that energy is released through the hind legs with explosive force. This mechanism allows fleas to escape danger before predators can react. It also helps them move rapidly between hosts while feeding. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for survival. Flattened from side to side, fleas can move easily through thick fur or feathers without being crushed. Powerful back legs give them extreme mobility despite their tiny size. Small, fast, and almost impossible to catch, fleas use physics and biology together to perform jumps that few creatures on Earth can match. The bar-tailed Godwit performs the longest nonstop migration of any bird on Earth. Every year, it crosses massive stretches of ocean without stopping once for food, water, or rest. Some individuals travel more than 13,500 kilometers across the Pacific Ocean in a single, uninterrupted flight. Before migration, the Godwit transforms its body for survival. It stores enormous fat reserves that act as fuel during the journey. At the same time, some internal organs temporarily shrink, reducing weight and improving flight efficiency. Its entire body becomes optimized for endurance. During the journey, the bird relies on extraordinary navigational abilities. It uses wind currents, flight altitude, Earth's magnetic field, and the stars to stay on course across thousands of kilometers of open ocean. Flying non-stop also helps the Godwit avoid many predators found on land while reaching regions filled with seasonal food resources. Over its lifetime, a single bird may travel more than 460,000 kilometers, a distance greater than the journey from Earth to the Moon. The limits of biology are far beyond what we usually imagine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.